Hello there, welcome to our channel Long Naps again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to redeem the MTG Arena codes on your mobile. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to redeem the MTG Arena codes or the gaming arena codes, you can do it from the game on the PC version from over here where it says the shop. Let's go back, but you will not be able to redeem the MTG Arena codes on your mobile from the mobile itself or the mobile game app itself. You'll be required to go to another step. To do that, close the game and open up your browser. Open up the browser which you use. For me, it's going to be the Google Chrome. And after that, on the search bar, tap over there and type in my accounts dot wizards .com like this and tap on go, and then you'll be directed to the Wizards of the Coast website where you can log into your MTG Arena game account over here. To do that, enter your email address over here, and after that enter your password over here which you had registered on the MTG Arena. Then you'll be able to log into your Wizards of the Coast account, which is authenticated with the MTG Arena game, and you can see redeem a code option available over here with your Gmail and your details. Tap over here, enter your code which you want to redeem and tap on redeem. Then that item value or that worth of that redemption code will be available on the MTG Arena game on your account. And then this is how you redeem your MTG Arena codes on your mobile. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.